Hey class, for this week's responding to the book, you're actually just going to be making your very own counting book. So when you open up your counting book, you're going to see pages that look like this. So it has the number word. So O-N-E spells 1. You are going to be writing a sentence and you're going to be drawing a picture or using stickers or stamps. So you might choose to do a theme for your number book, like things you might see in the park. So you could say, I can see the 1 tree. And then I put a period after tree and I draw a picture of a tree and me seeing the tree. And then you turn your page and you do the next one. What else might you see in the park? We can see 2 bears, right? You could also think of things that you can do, like I can swim 3 times or something like that. And then you draw a picture that goes along with it. Again, you can use stickers, you can use pictures, you can use stamps to draw these pictures, but I want your sentence to be in your very best handwriting. I want 2 finger spaces between each word and a period at the end. Remember that capitals only go at the beginning and shouldn't be anywhere else inside of your sentence unless you're using the word I or a name of a person, place, or thing. Okay? My suggestion is that you do 2 pages a day so that you don't get tired. So do 2 pages a day, do your very, very, very best work. This is a required assignment for the week. So your choices for submission is you can take pictures of each page and send it to me over Dojo. You can have your grown-up in your house video you reading your book, and you can send that to me over Facebook Messenger on our class page. Or you can complete this and then return it next Monday at packet pickup. And then I will give it back to you because I want you to hold on to this book and practice reading it so you can practice your color words. I also included, number words. I also included flashcards so that you can play memory, or you can just use them as flashcards to practice your numbers, or you can use these as a list so that I can start seeing these number words pop up in your writing. And if you see these number words, you'll be able to read them fluently. So kind of just like a sight word. All right. I hope that you enjoy learning your number words, how to read them and how to write them. And I hope you have a good week.